It was just a reasonably short time ago when we were facing lockdown as a county and as a country. Everyone was looking for a glimmer of hope. And the Royal Welsh Showground stepped up and offered premises, support, help, rent-free, to help us to respond to the COVID emergency, both with a testing centre and with a vaccination centre here on this site. Tens of thousands of tests and thousands of vaccines delivered here in the Royal Welsh Showground, in all winds and weathers. And I just want to thank the Royal Welsh Agricultural Society in particular, but also our partners in Powys County Council, the voluntary sector, staff right the way across the health and care system for everything that you did. It's a truly remarkable achievement to have vaccinated so many people in such a short space of time. So 520 volunteers, 33,000 hours, and some volunteers giving over 1,000 hours of their personal time to this endeavour. 60,000 doses of COVID vaccine just at this site, just here, so phenomenal. And I would say one of the highest rates of vaccine uptake was in Powys, and we're very, very proud of that.